Ever wondered what your LinkedIn profile reveals about you? When reveals the Snapchat profile. We all are present on social media channels. Ever wondered how people perceive us? What we post, what we comment, what is our news feed? What is that people perceive of? It may not be relevant to that extent when it comes to Snapchat or Instagram, but it is very relevant when it comes to LinkedIn. Because LinkedIn is where your future employers, your clients, or top league CEOs is when they visit your profile, they will create a perception about you, about how you are on. Hence, it matters a lot. If you are on Instagram, so even tomorrow, Nikhil Kamath, the founder of Zerodha, he is on Instagram. What he posts on Instagram will be different from what he's posting on. There will be a drastic difference. And for every one of us, it is a difference. So today I'm going to talk to you and share you about how people perceive your LinkedIn profile based on what you add to your profile and how you can create a rocking profile which creates a thought leadership. Because if you're looking out and searching for job opportunities in future or looking for client acquisitions or international clients, LinkedIn is the only platform, professional networking platform that you can use to generate. So let me share you my LinkedIn screen. Now that we are on LinkedIn, this is how my profile looks. This is the banner over here where I talk about Gen can 10x doctor engage. I was reading some articles from say the Forbes. But around 75% of people when they change job, they update it on LinkedIn and they share it to the network. So LinkedIn is a platform where they announce it to everybody. How many times you have changed your company where you're working on Facebook or any other platform? I don't remember. Almost 80% of millionaire startup founders, investors, and top leaders are on LinkedIn and they're posting on LinkedIn. This is why it is very important that how you create your perception. So this is my DP. DP needs to be professionally looking because this is where they will see you. This is my tagline. This is who I am and what I want to be known as. This is my about section. These are the skills that I've added. These are the featured items. I want people to see this when they come to my the first thing. This is the post that I have posted, and this is my experience. This is where I and wherever I worked, I've updated each and every place about what my profile was, a detailed profile. When somebody visits, they come to know what I'm doing, what is the understanding I have, and the different parts. At least complete your LinkedIn profile to 80%. As you fill your profiles over here, so you'll come to know, say, add profile section. So there are different sections. So I can add education, position, services, career break, recommendation, additional information. You keep on adding whatever information you have to your profile, and you need to achieve at least 80% of your profile come. If your profile is not complete to 80%, LinkedIn will not show it to the network. This is the audience where your profile will be seen by others and they will send you a connection request. If you want to be seen over here, most of the profiles that you'll see are pretty completed. It's like 1% possible that somebody profile is seen over here. But these people are active. They might not have added the pictures, but they are active. Well, that's why you see them over. Once this profile is done, people do not look at this particular aspect. But LinkedIn is your personal website and personal profile. And what people will see as they scroll, they want to say why people recommend you and what is the reason for them to recommend. And once they look at those recommendations, then come to know who you are as a person. This is Niyati was my student and she has given me recommendation on my teaching. Here I did some advising to Kartavya. That's why he has recommended. Historically, wherever I've been working, there are some people who I'm related to and connected to very well. And I request them to give me a recommendation. I also write and give it to them to make it easier for them to just post it. It helps to build. So as people keep on seeing all the recommendations, they will come to know, okay, this is the social proof. Treat this as social. People want to say social proof about who you are. This is where the convincing. Then as you move from your social proof, your skills. This is another area which a lot of people miss out. So these are the skills. And there are 59 skills. Now there are two ways to upgrade skills. So over here, this is endorsed by 5 people in last 6 months. And content marketing storytelling. What a lot of people are not aware is Once I add skills, I need to tell my friends to come and endorse me for those particular skills, because only then it will come up. Point number two is, whenever somebody is searching on Google or on LinkedIn for those keywords, again they will see me, because I have added those particular skills. That is a dedicated video to teach you about how to get 1000 connections. And to get 1000 connections, the efforts that you do is the same effort application you have to do, but you have to get noticed. But to give you in a simple line, to get noticed by around 1000 people is to start commenting. Because as you start commenting, is people will come and notice you. Because I want a premium profile, what will happen is I'll come to know who are the people who are viewing my profile. And as I keep on giving comments, this keeps on increasing. So my target is every day I need to give at least 30 comments. And I use a tool that is pretty easy. You can also use this tool. I can use LinkedIn Premium ka AI agent also to give this, but I prefer using Merlin as a tool. I will share you a video about how to use Merlin and a link to download Merlin. We need to keep on congratulating, wishing. This is what people are looking for. And imagine doing this and for at least 50 people minimum. That's where people will start noticing you, because there are two ways people will notice you. People will notice you because of commenting, and there are other people who are commenters. There will be other people who will visit my profile because I've commented on his profile. But if there are 60 comments, others will go and seek you. Why? I'm commenting. So again, over here, keep on giving comments, because if you keep on giving comments, it's like the more you give, the more you get. It's as simple as that. This is what you need to do. Keep on giving comments, because that's all you get. And define your purpose on LinkedIn. It's very important that you need to have a purpose on LinkedIn. And if you do not have a purpose on LinkedIn about why are you on LinkedIn to search for jobs? Are you on LinkedIn to network? Are you on LinkedIn to become a thought leader? Are you on LinkedIn to get more leads? And based on why you are on LinkedIn is what everything gets defined. Because you're on LinkedIn to do this, then do this. All the steps will become. If you don't know to define the purpose and the goal to be on LinkedIn, there's no point. There's no point in being on any social media platforms just for the sake of being on the platform. But if you're on the platform, then do and invest your time to do whatever you want to do based on. Thanks for joining in today. Signing off for today from your coach Moses. Bye.